How to invite other members on OpenAI platform. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily invite other members to your ChatGPT account. So the first thing you want to do is head over to ChatGPT. And if you head over here, you won't be able to find an option to invite players or other users. So what you basically have to do is open up a new tab and go to OpenAI platform. Search for it. Click on the first link over here and go to OpenAI platform. And from here, you could just go ahead and see, you can create an organization inside here. I've already created a project. Now, if you want to invite new users, you can just go ahead and click on this option over here, click on settings. And from settings, you can go to invite. This is your organization ID. Now, if you want to invite other people, you should be able to find it on the left-hand side of your screen. Go to API reference. Now from here, you can go to the people option on the settings menu. Now click on invite and now enter the email address of the person. So let me just go ahead and quickly enter my friend's email address. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and send an invite. So if you can check this box, it's going to invite you to invite them to your default project. And if you want them to be owner, they will be able to modify billing information and manage organization members. And if you just want them to be reader, they can make standard API requests and read basic organizational data. I'll just do owner for now and then click on invite. Once they accept the invitation, they should be able to access all of these stuff over here. That's basically how you can invite people to your ChatGPT account. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.